What's really important to Rapid Solutions is protecting the livelihoods of our clients. So for our pest and building inspectors, one of the ways that we can do that is through education. What we're doing here today is running a termite inspection bootcamp. And it's for inspectors who are already qualified to inspect for timber pests in residential buildings, to share knowledge from case studies that we at Rapid Solutions have seen from real life claims, but also bringing together a group of peers in industry so they can share experiences and learn from each other.
Even though I've got all this experience in the industry, you can never learn too much.
The first part of the day in the classroom, we're unpacking the Australian standards, we're unpacking Australian consumer law, and we're sharing case studies.
The students are all learning from each other's experiences, a lot of sharing their own stories.
Then in the second part of our day, the practical session involves a real life site inspection on a building, and the inspectors are going around doing their inspection, doing their report and coming back into the classroom and sharing those with their peers, comparing and contrasting what they've found, the recommendations they've made, and then presenting that back to the group.
As a contractor and a sole trader, I'm used to just report writing myself, and every time it's sort of the same, but then to take a look at someone else's paperwork, it's like, oh, I haven't done that, but I would like to do that. Or that's a good thing that I could include in mine.
The key takeouts from the program are the practical and quite simple often tips and tricks and methodologies that our participants can take away and implement in their business straight away.
We're out in the field doing these jobs and writing these reports, and you're kind of thinking, oh, from an insurance point of view, what could we do more, or what would happen in this scenario? So it's been really good having the discussion with both the knowledge in the room and the guys from Rapid here.
There are people who have done this for a long time and still come unstuck, so it is a good reinforcement that you need to remain diligent at all times.
I would say to anyone considering coming along to bootcamp, this is a really valuable investment in your business and in your future and in your livelihood. You are going to benefit and you are going to be part of lifting a whole industry in a really positive way.
I've just finished the training and I'm really pumped and excited. So I'm really looking forward to getting back and implementing some of this stuff into our team.